Welcome to the state-of-the-art toothpaste production line. Observe the factory floor as raw materials are carefully inspected for quality and consistency. Each ingredient, from powders to gels, is precisely weighed using automated scales to ensure every tube meets global standards. The measured ingredients are carefully blended in large mixers, forming a consistent and smooth base for the toothpaste. Quality samples are taken from the mixture. Experts check viscosity, texture, and color to maintain perfect consistency. Plastic tubes are molded with precision, ready to be filled with the freshly prepared toothpaste mixture. Automated filling machines accurately deposit the toothpaste into each tube, ensuring uniform quantity and hygiene. Tubes move along the conveyor to the sealing station, where they are securely heat-sealed to prevent leakage. Once sealed, tubes are labeled with generic information, preparing them for distribution worldwide. Filled and labeled tubes are carefully packaged into boxes, ready for insertion into cartons. Boxes are stacked efficiently, forming organized pallets for storage and shipment to global markets. Warehouse operations ensure each pallet is placed in the correct location, maintaining smooth logistics. Advanced machinery monitors pallet stability and alignment, preventing any damage during storage. Inspectors periodically verify that production standards are upheld at every stage of the assembly line. Conveyor belts move products seamlessly from station to station, ensuring continuous production flow. Every detail, from ingredient selection to final packaging, is meticulously controlled for quality assurance. Automated sensors now track temperature and consistency in real time. The mixture moves slowly as blades maintain a perfectly smooth texture. This controlled motion prevents air bubbles from forming inside the paste. Uniform color and density indicate proper blending at this stage. The batch is now prepared for quality sampling before further processing. Small samples are extracted directly from the mixing chamber. Technicians verify texture, brightness, and flow consistency. Any variation is adjusted instantly through automated controls. Once approved, the mixture is released into the transfer system. Pipelines carry the toothpaste toward the tube production area. The flow rate is precisely synchronized with the next operation. Plastic sheets are heated and shaped into uniform tube bodies. Each tube is molded to identical size and wall thickness. Open tube ends are aligned perfectly for automated filling. The system prepares for precise toothpaste injection into every tube. Measured nozzles inject the exact amount of toothpaste into each tube. Consistent pressure ensures uniform fill from top to bottom. Sensors confirm volume accuracy before the tube advances forward. Filled tubes move smoothly toward the sealing station. Heat-controlled jaws seal the tube ends with precise force. This process prevents leaks while maintaining tube strength. Each seal is instantly inspected by automated vision systems. Approved tubes continue along the conveyor without interruption. The surface of each tube is cleaned for proper label adhesion. Generic labels are applied with millimeter-level alignment. Rollers press labels smoothly to eliminate air pockets. Labeled tubes pass through a final visual quality scan. Only flawless units proceed to the packaging section. Cartons are automatically formed and positioned on the line. Each tube is placed carefully inside its protective box. Boxes move forward as automated arms prepare them for sealing. Precision mechanisms fold carton flaps into perfect alignment. Adhesive is applied evenly to secure each package firmly. Sealed boxes travel along the conveyor for final inspection. Cameras scan every package for shape and closure accuracy. Approved cartons continue toward the sorting area. Boxes are grouped automatically for efficient handling. Robotic arms stack cartons in precise, stable layers. Each layer is aligned to maintain balance during transport. Completed stacks are secured tightly onto pallets. Wrapped pallets move steadily toward the warehouse storage zone. Climate-controlled storage preserves product quality. Every pallet is logged into the factory management system. The toothpaste is now ready for distribution across markets. Warehouse systems organize pallets by destination and shipping schedule. Automated vehicles transport pallets through designated lanes. Every movement is optimized to reduce handling time. Inventory data updates instantly across the facility. Storage conditions remain stable to protect product integrity. Pallets wait in sequence for outbound logistics. Loading bays prepare shipments for nationwide distribution. Each shipment is verified before leaving the facility. Quality control standards remain consistent until final dispatch. This process ensures reliability at every production stage. From raw materials to finished product, precision guides every step. Automation and control work together inside this factory. Each tube reflects consistency, safety, and efficiency. Millions rely on this process every single day. This is how toothpaste is manufactured at an industrial scale.